Have you ever walked into sunlight and suddenly sneezed? You're not alone. This happens to millions of people. It's called a light-triggered sneeze reflex. When bright light hits your eyes, the nerves that control your eyes get overexcited. These nerves sit very close to the nerves that control your nose. The brain sometimes mixes the signals and thinks your nose is irritated. So instead of blinking, your body triggers a sneeze. That's why bright sunlight can make you sneeze. Follow for more simple explanations like this.